Hi. Each day that you have a lesson, you're going to have to complete a question in your math journal. And your math journal is just going to be a Google Doc that you create and share with me. So if we, for instance, go to lesson 1, this is chapter 5, but this is lesson 1 about algebraic expressions. And if you look at your to-do list, just watch my video, do your homework, and then please consider the following thoughts in your math journal. How do you feel about the alphabet being part of math? What is a variable? What does it mean? The easiest thing I think you can do is highlight the question and copy it. Go to Edit and say Copy. So now you have the question. Now, each chapter you're going to have a separate document as your math journal. I was thinking about keeping it in one, but I think if we keep it by chapter, it'd make more sense. So in order to create a math journal, you go to Google Doc, and we're going to create a document. And then we're going to call it, change the untitled document name, and we're going to call it, yes, I'm trying to rename you. I call it Math Journal Chapter 5, and then your name, so I know whose it is. And you say OK. So now we've renamed it, and this is lesson 1 of chapter 5. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to paste the question. That way I know exactly what you're answering. So number 1 says, please consider the following thoughts in your math journal. How do you feel about the alphabet? So let's use proper punctuation. So I can answer the question in my math journal here. So this is where you would answer. And then for the next lesson, you would copy and paste the question here and all the way through each chapter. Now only you can see this document, so you need to share it with me. So you go over here to the blue thing that says share, and then I type in the name of the person that I want to share it with, and I'm H. Whitney at SAU10.org. So you would click that, and then you would say send. Of course, I'm sharing it with myself, but whatever, you understand. So now you have a math journal. And then when you go back to your documents, you go to your drive. Let's see if I go to my drive. If I look down, I'm not going to because I have names in here that I really shouldn't be putting on YouTube. If you scroll down in your drive, you can see that file that you just created called your math journal. And that is how you would create and share a math journal with me.